This is the instruction for how I refill the lines for the bump Kobalt 40 watt max, because I didn't find too much video about that and I'm frustrated when trying to refill the line when it's out, so I decided to make a video to help people out there. So this is only for the bumps, the bump lines. You basically have to remove this cap from here and thread the wire from here in a tiny hole onto the other side, the other hole, and then you put this inside here, and from here the same thing, from here gets inside here. Then you push this in to lock this cap. Make sure they all have the wire out this way. They should be the same length, both of them at the end. When you remove it, and before you put the wire loop in, this notch should match this notch right there, and this notch and that notch basically ensure that this cap right here and this cap matches. That's all it is. When I try to put the wire through here without taking this thing apart, it's difficult to do. There's no way I can put this in and expect the other end to come up from this side. It doesn't work for me, so that's why I take it apart and then I do it the other side, but it may work for you. So okay, you then push this thing lock and counterclockwise. You have to push down, then turn so that these wires gets winded in. After you finish winding, make sure that the length is shorter than where the blade is, so it gets cut it. Okay, then just cut it about right here before this blade. Just good practice. Like this one is okay. So on the other one, I'm gonna slip it right there. That's all, folks.